Daddy. Happy birthday! Surprise!
Happy birthday, Albert!
Yes, na-surprise ka ba?
Yes, kami rin.
May patriki-triki pa kami ng kamay, di ba? But you know, seriously, this is your special day. We just want to greet you a happy birthday. And we want to show our love to you that even we are miles and miles away, we
Yes.
just want you to know that we are here, your spiritual family, your ninong and ninang, that we love you, we want to celebrate with you. And with this video, we want to convey to you our love to you, our inaanak. Diba?
Yes.
And not only that, of course, it's not just like a birthday wishes, but also we have a birthday prayer for you, Albert.
Yes, and our hope and prayer in whatever season you have right now, especially on your special day, that you will always delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you continuously the desires of your heart.
Yes.
And that's our hope and prayer.
And it's our declaration.
Yes,
that
we are declaring that.
We are agreeing and declaring and claiming that whatever the desires of your heart,
Yeah.
it will come to completion, that God can and able to give that to you. So hold on to that.
Yes, kapit lang.
Albert, kapit lang.
Kapit lang.
You will be back home and we're gonna see you very, very soon.
Yes, babawi tayo ng big time pag nandito ka na
Yes.
talaga.
Okay, so enjoy your special day. May God bless you and keep you. May His face shine upon you and be
Yes.
gracious to you and give you peace. So see you soon. Happy birthday again, Inanak. We love you
Yes.
very much. And we miss you so badly, okay? So see you soon. Take care and
Stay
God bless
safe,
you.
stay safe.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Oh, happy birthday, Al. Nami-miss na kita.
Kumusta ka na dyan, Albert? Ang bihira, mahal na mahal kan to si Angeline. Lahat kami inabala para batiin ka sa iyong kaarawan. But seriously, alam ko bro na miss mo na yung pamilya mo, pati si Faith. Mag-1 year old na, no? Pero I believe the Lord has a greater plan and He's accomplishing His plan and purpose due to this pandemic. Alam ko na ikaw naman ay safe dyan at yung pamilya mo ay safe, which is yun ang first and foremost na pinakamahalaga sa panahon ngayon. Kaya huwag ka masyadong mag-worry. Alam ko nakakalungkot, but nevertheless, hindi ka naman nag-iisa. Maraming OFW talaga ang apektado. But yun lang ang difference natin. Meron tayong Diyos that will comfort us in times of our needs, in times of our being stressful situation. Ang Diyos ang kasama natin. Kaya Albert, kapit lang and happy birthday at enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Subscribe ko lang sa'yo. Sobrang bait mo. Sarap mo magluto. Pagdilig kayo makasama. Saka, wala na. Ako masabi.
Please go home and then bring me a lot of toys. And then go home and then go to Barco.
Happy birthday, Brother Albert. I know it's a trying time, challenging. You really want to see your daughter. Ako rin, bro. Alam mo, kaya lang, this time, I know it's really a challenge for us. But I just want to share with you James chapter 1, verse 3. For you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness. So, bro, just hang in there. And makakauwi ka rin in God's time. And enjoy your day, bro. God bless you.
I wish na bigyan ka ng more birthday to come and more babies to come. Salamat yo. Happy birthday.
Hi Tito, happy birthday sa'yo. So, ayun nga, thank you sa mga tulong mo sa amin, sa mga advice mo.
How will I describe Tito in one word? Blessing, syempre. Alam na niya yun.
Hi, Tito! Happy birthday!
Siguro sa isang word na mayahambing kita, isang teacher. Kasi kaya teacher, marami akong natutunan sa iyo. Marami kang naituro sa akin eh. Kaya bukod sa trabaho sa barko, marami ka rin tinuro sa akin kalokohan eh. Marami. Pero nagpapasalamat ako dahil ikaw yung naging yung mayor ko na ilang beses kitang nakasama sa barko. Sa 3 beses na pagbabarko ko 3 beses din kita nakasama. Sa una, pangalawa, pangatlo. Lahat yun may mga natutunan ako sa'yo.
May God bless your day. May He cover you. May He protect you wherever your location right now. And may you enjoy your big day today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Albert! Ingat ka lagi! God bless you! God bless you!
And keep healthy and stay safe. Sana makauwi ka ng maaga-aga para sa magandang celebration pag darating.
Happy birthday, Albert! Mag-ingat ka dyan. Sana makauwi ka lalo na sa birthday ni Fet. Miss na miss ka na mag-ina mo. And keep praying. And God will make a way na makakauwi ka. Okay? Ingat! We miss you!
Bye!
Hi Albert! Happy birthday! Huwag ka na masad kahit malayo ka. Always remember na mahal ka ng family mo, ni Angeline, ni Faith, and of course, lalo-lalo na ni God. Kung di ka man makauwi right now, remember na yung plano pa rin ni Lord, no, yung magpe-prevail. So, let's be thankful because God is continuously protecting you from COVID-19, and of course I'm praying that you will stand in your faith, no matter what happens. Kahit na may mga problems, may mga pagsubok, alam natin na laging mabuti ang Panginoon. So yun yung prayer ko for you.
Yun lang. Happy birthday. God bless. Ingat lagi.
Chut.
Yeah, happy birthday, Albert. Tandaan mo, bro. Jackpot si Angie sa'yo. And I hope you enjoy your time. Praying that you're gonna be back soon para makare mo na napakaganda mong, syempre, baby, bukod sa asawa. So, ano lang yan, mana-mana lang yan. Buti na lang talaga nagmana sa'yo, baby mo. At kay Angie na rin, syempre. Na-replenish siya magaganda sa mundo. Okay, so, God bless you more. Hope to bond and see you soon. And always take care. We're always praying for you. God bless you. Kids, 1, 2, 3, let's say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito Albert. Tandaan mo, bro. Jackpot si Angie. Jackpot si Angie sa'yo.
I agree. Dahil birthday mo today, I agree. Happy birthday again, Han. I hope these greetings and prayers and wishes made a good start of this special day of your life. We are only given once a year to celebrate our birthday, kaya mag-celebrate ka. And we are here together with the family to celebrate with you on this special day. Okay? We are so excited to be with you, especially ako at si Baby Faith. And I'm sure God is working on it. He is a way maker. Kapit lang, Han. Kapit lang. I love you.
And looks like Dr. Lobster is here.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Albert!
Hi, Tito! Happy birthday!